Hey Paisanis, welcome to the Italian Guys Food Tour. We're back with some granola bars. Not just any granola bars. Love Crunch granola bars. And what we have today is dark chocolate and macaroon granola bars. That sounds good. Now, this is what the package looks like. Okay, smell test. Ooh, that smells heavenly. That's what it looks like inside. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Looks very, very good. You got the dark chocolate on there with the coconut, I think it is. Macaroon, I don't know, but I can't wait to try this. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, that's good. I don't know what it is, but wow. That's really, really good. There's a couple of tastes going on here. You got the coconut, I think it's coconut on top. Got the dark chocolate, but also I think the granola bar tastes like, hang on. Okay. The granola doesn't taste like granola. It actually tastes like, if you can follow me now, the oatmeal frosted cookies that you get in the supermarket, the cheap ones for like 99 cents. That's the texture and flavor in a way. Not really oatmeal, but I'm just not tasting granola. I'm tasting something else. I think the granola, if it's really granola, which it probably is just overshadowed by the dark chocolate and the coconut. But this is incredible. Wow. Mm. 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 Wow. Oh, there's more flavors too. 150 calories. Yeah, coconut, bite for bite. Wow. You get inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6 of those packages, which is really cool. Now, back to eat, because this is really good. Wow. You can really see the chocolate drizzle with the coconut sprinkled on it. I don't know if that's supposed to be the macaroon or the coconut's supposed to be the macaroon, but wow, that is really, really good and tasty. Anyways, wow, go get some, because this stuff is great. Absolutely. If you want a nice snack that you're going to really enjoy, if you like all that combination, that's heavenly. Absolutely. Italian guy approved. Absolutely. Run. Don't wait. Because Market Basket's where I got it, but that's good stuff. That's a great, satisfying snack. Absolutely. Manja. Eat up, baby. Thanks for subscribing and watching and commenting and all that good stuff. Back with another one.